Hi Sunshines, welcome back to our channel MADCURLS. I'm Taylor Ann.
And I'm Loriann.
And in this video today we are bringing to you another one and done. So that really fast. We are bringing to you another one and done. Since you guys love them so much. The one and done that is up today is, well, go ahead.
Is the Taliah Waajid, let's see, Coco-Shea, was it?
It was not.
All right, I'm sorry. Okay. Shea-Coco, curly hair, curl souffle. Right here. Here's the product. Let me see. Okay.
There it is. We have received some requests to do some Taliah Waajid products, and as we were perusing CVS, I came across this product and I was like, ooh, this looks like it would be good for a one and done. So I picked it up and here we are.
Here we are.
Getting ready to do the one and done.
1 o'clock in the morning.
1 o'clock in the morning.
This is starting to
I don't know what this is about. I don't know what this is about, but it is 1 o'clock in the morning right now.
It is.
So what makes a product MADCURLS one and done approved?
One and done approved, we're looking for 3 criteria. One is how much moisture is in our hair at the end of the day or the end of this project.
Well, yeah, I guess at the end when our hair is dried, right? Yeah, when our hair is dried,
right.
yeah.
Second, we're looking for curl definition, or whatever your natural pattern is, if it's defined. And third, we are looking for, what's that? The third is late. I'm starting.
Hold.
Hold.
The style holds. And I don't think we said what a one and done is. If you are new to our channel, our one and dones are one product wash and goes. So you just use one product to get your wash and go. That is all you need.
Yeah.
Perhaps. So if you would like to see if this Taliah Waajid product is MADCURLS one and done approved, then
just please keep watching.
Please keep watching. So first things first,
water.
Put our hair. Mom, tell them what you shampooed your hair with, you cleansed your hair with.
Today I shampooed with the M.A.D. clarifying shampoo. I really wanted to try the As I Am. Well, not try it, but use my As I Am because I know it works, but you wouldn't dig in the box for it. So I just grabbed what I could grab.
Well, what did you want?
I really want the As I Am clarifying shampoo. Oh. But you wouldn't dig in the box. So I found it the other day. I forgot about it, and then I saw this box of products that we had that just, I don't know how they ended up with the product, but I saw the As I Am pudding, I saw the As I Am co-wash,
so there's a box
As I Am clarifying.
that I put products that we don't really use a lot. So it was just sitting on the shelf, it was gathering dust, so I put it in the box.
Yeah, well, I wasn't aware that there was a box that was starting like that, and I didn't know my stuff was in it.
Oh, okay.
So when I saw that, I really wanted tonight, because I think the other day, the main choice, undoubtedly, perfect results, but I did clarify before, and I'm like, I wonder if I got all the old product out and if it kind of like assisted the results, because it was really good. So I want to try that again. I'm going to start clarifying more. I forget these things. Like when you're natural, you remember these things initially, but then you forget that you have to deep condition. You forget that you have to do protein treatment if your hair's not sensitive to protein. You forget that you have to clarify, and I'm forgetting these things. So I'm like, let me go back to clarifying now. So I like that. So I'm wondering. I'm even seeing now that my hair already, before I put product in, is already my curly and cute and
my hair's nice
and moisturized, shiny.
Okay. I didn't tell them what I cleanse my hair with.
Okay,
you're on a roll right now.
I am.
Okay, because you didn't get to talk the last video.
No, because I was too sick, guys.
So I cleanse my hair with the ORS Olive Oil for Naturals. Their co-wash. It's like, I don't know how new the line is, but it's kind of new, I guess. But we're testing that, and so I tested that today, and I already feel like off the bat it's going to be one of my favorite co-washes of 2018. Very good first experience.
That came into the house the other day, and you tried it today. You're really good at testing products. Yeah. You always do the testing.
I do. I'm like, let me test this while I'm washing
my hair. And we had a question for you guys also. We wanted to know, do you think our hair is close enough in texture and, curl dimension that we sometimes, because sometimes we will do a one and done, or sometimes we will do a line or a few products out of the line where we might do a leave-in and maybe somebody will do a gel, or we'll both do a gel. And we're wondering if you guys think that we're close enough in texture that you can get a true reading if we do a leave-in together and then one of us goes off and does the gel and one of us goes off and maybe does the cream.
Yeah, so we do 2 different things.
Yeah, because we find that we're doing something and then somebody might come in the comments and say, oh, I wish you guys would try either a one and done, or I wish you guys would try this with the cream. And it's just like our hair would be just dead. It just would be falling out of our heads if we did these constant suggestions. There's just not enough time in the day or time in our lives to do it that way. So do you think our textures are close enough that one could do one and one can do another? We're just kind of throwing that out there to get feedback in that way.
Let us know.
Because other than that, some of these suggestions have to go by the wayside, because we do a line and the way we choose it is just we choose it, and then you might have to find another YouTuber that's doing what you wanted the products to do. try a leave-in with the cream or a leave-in with the gel. And
All right, are we ready to get with the product?
I sure am.
Okay, so this is a curling souffle. On the side, it says made for 2C to 4A curl patterns.
Okay.
Interesting. It smells so good.
Does it smell? Wow, it does smell really, really, really good.
Ooh, it's intoxicating. It smells good. It smells like light, like coconut.
Yes.
It's light.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells
Wow.
amazing.
Hold
All
on,
right.
I'm stealing this clipping.
Okay. Use that one. That one's more aesthetically pleasing.
Oh, which one? Oh, the one I bought in here? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the
I did bring
J.
this
Crew
in
one?
here. Yes, this is very cute.
It's more aesthetically pleasing.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's dip in.
Okay.
I'm going in. Ooh, it's nice.
When did you have time to pull your hair back in a clippy like that?
Well, you were yapping.
Oh, really? Okay. I know. I've been shut up for a few days. My throat was killing me.
I know.
That flu just hits out of nowhere. That was crazy the other night.
It was.
If you saw in the beginning of our
It was
filming,
so crazy.
I was so full of life.
Yeah.
So much so that I think I mentioned that Taylor said for me not to start tonight because I was making too many jokes and she was tired and she's like, Mom, please get serious because I just want to end this. And then all of a sudden when we came back, it really had to be cut short. I really could barely stand. It was just really
Yeah, you had to like diffuse your hair sitting down and stuff.
I did.
And I had to help you up and down the stairs.
You
like,
did.
We were like, come on. I was like, you know, you can do it. I'm like, we're almost there. We just have to do the end of this video. Like, come on.
I know. You had no extra
Which you guys
footage.
are loving, clearly.
Yeah.
From the views in one day.
Oh my gosh, I love it. It smells so good.
It smells
so pleasant to put in.
amazing. It feels amazing. The slip. All right, Miss
Yes.
Waajid, I see you.
Right?
I see you.
What made you think of this?
I just saw it, and I got some suggestions. Someone said do some Taliah Waajid.
Okay.
And I posted on Instagram like some of like our recent purchases, and someone came in the DMs and said that that they really love the Taliah Waajid for their locks. They have like dreads, and she loves it for her locks. And so I was like, well, I hope it's consistent for all hair types. So I hope it does something for our curls. You know?
Yes, I know.
We'll see.
I love this.
This is very nice. This is what I'm talking about for a
I
one and
never
done.
would have noticed it. I never would have paid attention to it.
So in other news, we got a request to do a what was it? A video on our product stash, a stash video. Is that something you guys would be interested in? Because you guys know that
You product
we
junkies
are
out
product
there
junkies
that are just want to have just like spirits, like is attracted to like. Maybe
you
just
want to
want
see what's in our collection.
just for the sake of it. Sometimes I just like to see what people buy. I
Yeah.
just love to shop myself, and I just like to see what other people gravitate towards.
Sometimes I enjoy like those makeup room videos when like
Yes.
big YouTubers show their makeup room and it's just like outrageous.
Yeah.
It's just so much makeup. So let us know in the comments if you want to see our hair product stash. If that's something you'd be interested in. Getting back to this product. This is nice. Yeah, so like I don't know much about Taliah Waajid. I know she had like a huge hair show last year. That's kind of all I really know. I never really looked up her products. I've definitely heard her name before. Definitely from the show last year that was going around Instagram. People were talking about, but as far as her products go, I never really looked into them until recently when I was thinking about different things we could bring to our channel. And I bought another one of her lines as well, which we'll be testing and filming on. But
Now, how much was this product that you
Ooh. Oh Lord, your questions I'm never prepared for.
I know, because it came in the mail.
That
one you should have been prepared for.
No,
the price.
When do you ever know anything?
At least.
I want to say I paid $9.99 for this.
Okay.
I want to say I paid $9.99 for this at CVS. That's what I want to say. Yeah, because I wanted to get, I thought about getting the leave-in with it as well. There's like a spray leave-in in the Coco-Shea line, but I was like, I really don't like spray leave-in. So, and I was thinking, you know, that's $20. Do I want to spend $20? You know, $9.99 and $9.99. And then I ended up just leaving it. So I believe it was $9.99.
Yeah, I don't care for spray leave-ins. I don't care for the very liquidy, watery ones, and I don't care for the ones that are thick because to me it doesn't seem like it would come out of the sprayer.
Yeah, it doesn't seem
take
efficient.
the lid off, and then
it goes pouring out everywhere. Yeah, it doesn't seem efficient, at least for our hair. Well, I know for mine because it's longer. I just don't feel like I have time to sit and just keep like spraying my hair.
Yeah.
I don't feel like it's going anywhere.
Yes. I don't like sprayers. It's too much of a workout for me.
So this is nice. My hair is shiny.
Yes. It definitely is. I can't wait to see how it dries and what it looks like afterward. I could not get that name right for anything today. I was saying Taliah Waajid, Taliah Laling. I was calling it everything. She's like, Mom, if you're going to ask, because I always turn to you and say, what are we doing today? She goes, you better get it right.
Yeah, you better have that name. And it's not like my mom trying to be funny or anything. She's like that with everything. Even like normal names. Like she'll mess people's names up.
I do.
Like my little brother has a friend named Brittany and now her name is Bridget for some reason. Like you just change people's names.
I do.
Like I don't know.
And once I call you that name, it stuck. One time a guy came over and his name was Robert. To me he looked like a Paul, so I renamed him Paul. And he really wasn't a Paul. His name was truly Robert. And I don't know where I got Paul at, but I'm like, you look like a Paul. So, and he was the only one that ever challenged me. He had the nerve to say to me, I look like a Cheryl. He goes, I'm going to start calling you Cheryl. He's no longer welcome in the home. You don't challenge me in my home. You are a Paul and I am a Lori.
He was like, oh yeah?
That.
You look like a Cheryl.
I'm like, where did he come from? That was bold as brass. Because people normally laugh. You know, they're just like, you can call me whatever you want. But he had the nerve to challenge me.
He said, no ma'am. He didn't last long.
He didn't last long at all. Yep. If you're out there, Paul, hi.
I can't.
Yeah. Okay.
So our product is in, right? My curls already feel very shiny.
They look very shiny.
They look shiny? Yeah. Oh, yours look good too.
Yeah. Did you tell them about your lipstick?
Oh,
I
yeah.
love your lipstick.
Yeah, my mom talked to me. I said, I wish I had a green lipstick, and my mom was like, make it. And so I made it with some eyeshadow. I'll put the eyeshadows down below because I used a couple different ones. I used like a Morphe palette, a matte color. I'll write in the description box how I did it. But yeah, this is an eyeshadow. This is not like an actual lipstick.
Yeah,
Okay.
that was cool.
So we are going to let our hair air dry a little bit around the house. I think we'll watch an episode or two of Living Single.
Yes,
it's on Hulu now. I'm obsessed. So we'll watch a couple episodes of that, let our hair air dry, then put a diffuser to it, and we'll be back to let you know if this Taliah Waajid, thank God the lid was on. Can you imagine?
Right? Yeah, I
being fancy.
I can imagine.
We'll come back and let you know if this Taliah Waajid product is MADCURLS 1 and Done approved.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Y'all.
Check these results out.
Oh my goodness. Y'all see this? You see this?
We loving what we see.
Oh my gosh. Okay. As a formality, we will go through piece by piece whether this is MADCURLS 1 and Done approved.
Calm down. Take our time.
I know. Just calm down. This is one product, y'all. Too excited. Okay. Moisturization. Check. Yes, our hair is very moisturized, and even though it has shea butter and coconut, sometimes with shea butter I get a little bit worried because shea butter can weigh down my hair sometimes, but there's like a perfect blend in here of shea butter and coconut. So your hair is moisturized, but even when you touch your hair, you don't really feel anything. So it's perfectly moisturized.
Perfect.
I will mention now that my hair feels very just light. It's so light. Like, oh, I love it. Okay. Moisturization, curl definition, yes. Our hair dry with plenty of definition. Definition on the ends. All my ends are curled. You don't have to pick out every curl. Yep. Ends are curled. Your hair is definitely curled.
Yes.
I gave you some bangage.
Definitely.
Little fringe. And hold. Yes, our curls are definitely holding in place. They are not going flat.
Again,
pieces aren't straightening out.
Because it is now, what time in the morning? Like 3?
Like 3.
Okay, so to speed up the process, I took the blow dryer again, and after we sat under the fans.
We sat in front of a fan for about an hour, maybe.
Yes, so to blow dry the life out of this to speed up the process, and it still has curl definition. Yeah.
And to talk about our diffusing, because I believe we had a question. Somebody said that they can tell when somebody air dries and when they diffuse, you can see the difference. But she said for us, you can't really tell the difference. And that's because we don't diffuse our hair wet. We do not go from wet hair and then go straight to a diffuser and dry it. We let it air dry about, I would say 85% of the way, 85-90%, yeah. And then we go in with a diffuser to dry.
And when we say air dry, we say we sit by a fan, right? Is that considered air dry?
Well, we just kind of, it's either we sit by a fan or we just walk around the house for a while and just the air, just the air in the house. Or sometimes we'll sit in front of a fan and let the fan dry our hair, but we don't go in with wet hair with the diffuser. That's where the frizzing comes in for us.
And we have in the past, and I think we didn't notice that. We just could never master this diffusing thing. This is why, if you look at our earlier videos, we always said, and we don't diffuse because we didn't know how to diffuse. But then we wanted to keep on with the channel during the winter, so we had to figure out another way of doing this, and we figured out,
and that's the trick.
Yeah, maybe diffusing. Yeah.
Yes. So another thing we wanted to mention is why we think our results have been so good lately. We kind of fell off the wagon a little bit with our deep conditioning regimen, and we're finding that that's very important because that helps the products along, like helps the products perform to the best of their ability. So do you want to talk about that a little bit?
I think we were going in with, say, lines. There was a comment last night that said that they felt like they couldn't break up a line. And initially I did, in my obsessive kind of way, in my shopping and buying the complete line, the shampoo, the conditioner. So we would do that. And it was just a shampoo and a standard conditioner. But when we started deep conditioning, and I would say the last maybe week or two, where we picked up the deep conditioning, not that we never had in our life, but that we just kind of fell off because we were so busy doing lines and trying to keep them consistent. We think, and I don't think there's any particular deep conditioner, because I'm using Carol's Daughter Almond Mask, and you are using...
I'm using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil that somebody recommended, and I've been loving this. And
before this one, I was using the Carol's Daughter Clay Rasool Mask. So I think just the idea of deep conditioning, no matter what deep conditioner you have, even if you have conditioner, people say, and put in some sort of an oil into it. That's what a deep conditioner is, conditioner plus oil.
But just doing that regularly and having your hair conditioned and hydrated can definitely help the performance of products. That is what we're noticing. And
so when we learn things, we just pass them on to you, because it just might be that one thing. It may or may not be, but sometimes we just hear one thing and we grab it and it works for us. Sometimes it doesn't. So try it if your hair still is not performing the way you want to with certain products.
Yep. So this product is the Taliah Waajid Shea-Coco Curly Hair Curl Souffle. Is most definitely MADCURLS.
One and done approved.
One and done approved, yeah. I honestly think it's definitely in our like top 5 best one and dones ever. Who would have thought? This was just chilling on the shelf.
Who would have thought?
This was just chilling on the shelf in CVS, and I just picked it up. And this is amazing. I will definitely be reaching for this again.
Yes. Oh, good. So now you'll let go of, which ones were you hoarding that you weren't?
I won't be letting go of anything.
Okay. Oh, the main choice.
Okay. Yeah, I won't. I've left it.
You put that under lock and key.
I totally
selfish to the bone. Selfish to the bone.
All lies. Totally not
selfish to the bone.
So, I believe this is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching.
And we'll see you in our next video.
We'll see you in our next video.
Bye-bye.